A bomb was found and detonated in a controlled manner by the SAPSA in vicinity of Durban, July. In the latest in a string of bombings in Durban, explosive devices were planted and detonated on the fringes of the Vodacom Durban, July on Saturday night. This follows the bombing of Woolworths stores at the Gateway and Pavilion malls last week. Police spokeswoman Captain Nkobile Gwila confirmed that explosive devices had been detonated in and amongst parked cars on Gladys Mazibuko Marriott Road and on Avondale Road, just a stone's throw from the Greyville Racecourse and thousands of July revelers. At Marriott Road just after 10 p.m. a device was found under a vehicle. No injuries were reported, she said. The second incident took place at Avondale and Milner Road after 11 p.m. after an unknown device exploded on a vehicle. The explosives unit members went to the scene to investigate what type of devices were used. Investigations are still continuing, she added. On Thursday, two similar devices, one planted in the Gateway outlet and the other in the Pavilion, were detonated, causing fires. The Gateway outlet was evacuated on Saturday when a pipe bomb was found and later defused by bomb technicians.